Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Akong muli, si Kuya Doc Ads. And welcome again to Super Math. Sa video ito, pag-uusapan natin kung paano tayo magsusubtract ng integers. Pero bago tayo mag-umpisa, kung bago ka pa lang sa ating channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at panoorin yung ating mga previous video. Don't forget also to share them with your friends. Tara, umpisahan natin! Sa nakaraang video natin, pinag-aralan natin kung paano mag-a-add ng mga integer. Napag-aralan natin doon na meron dalawang rules. Rule for like sign at rule for unlike sign. Ngayon naman, sa pagsusubtract ng integer, kailangan nating tandaan that we have to change the sign of the subtrahend, then we proceed to addition process. Paano natin yun gagawin? Balikan natin yung ating subtraction process. Makikita natin dito na meron tayong mga integer. We have negative 53 minus positive 17 and this gives us negative 70. So i-recall lang natin kung ano ba yung mga parts ng subtraction process. Yung number 1 ay yung tinatawag na minuend. Ang minuend is a number where another number is to be subtracted. Samantala, yun namang isinusubtract na number from the minuend ay tinatawag na subtrahend. At yung sagot sa subtraction process ay tinatawag nating difference. Balikan natin yung rule natin kanina. Ang sabi sa rule, in subtracting integers, change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition process. Sa madaling salita, kailangan nating baguhin yung sign ng subtrahend. Dito, ang subtrahend natin ay positive. Ibig sabihin, kailangan natin siyang palitan ng sign. So, ito ay magiging negative. Then, we will proceed to addition process. Yan, this will become plus. Then, kung nare-recall natin yung ating addition process, in adding integers having like signs, we add their corresponding numbers and then we copy the sign. So dito, in-add natin yung 53 and 17, kaya natin nakuha si 70 at kinopya natin yung sign na negative. Let's try to have several examples. Let's find the difference of the following integers. Negative 12 minus 76. Remember, in subtracting integers, we have to change the sign of the subtrahend, then we proceed to addition process. So, papalitan natin ngayon yung sign ng subtrahend. Meron tayong negative 12 minus 76. So, ang gagawin natin, papalitan natin ng sign yung 76 and this becomes negative 12 plus negative 76. Bakit naging plus? Kasi, ang sabi sa rule natin, after changing the sign of the subtrahend, we proceed to addition process. So, kaya natin siya ginawang plus. Then, using the addition process, we have now two like signs. Therefore, ang gagawin natin, i-add natin yung kanilang corresponding numbers. So, we have 12 and 76. And this is 88. And we copy the sign. Therefore, the answer here is negative 88. Let's try to have letter B. For letter B, we have negative 32 minus 37. Pwede rin nating sabihin na negative 32 minus positive 37. I-apply uli natin yung rule. So, we have negative 32 minus 37. So, papalitan natin yung sign noong subtrahend. So, ang subtrahend natin ay yung 37. So, we have negative 32. And then, yung positive 37 magiging negative 37. And we proceed to addition process. Yan. So, meron tayong negative 32 plus negative 37. Para hindi tayo malito, lagyan natin ng parenthesis. Therefore, we have negative 69. Yan. I-try naman natin ngayon yung letter C. Yung letter C, we have negative 23 minus negative 14. So, same pa rin yung i-apply natin na principle. So, we have negative 23 minus negative 14. So, this time, yung negative ay magiging positive. So, we will change negative 14 to positive 14 and we proceed to addition process. Yan. Ngayon, meron na tayong negative 23 plus 14. So, yung ruling natin sa addition ng unlike sign, we have to get the absolute value of the larger number and even the smaller number, and then isusubtract natin sila. At yung kanilang sign ay magbabase doon sa malaking absolute value. So therefore, ang magiging sagot natin dito is 23 minus 14, that is 9, and we copied the sign of the larger absolute value. So that is negative 9. So we have negative 9. Kung nalilito tayo sa addition process, pwede natin balikan yung ating previous video para tayo ay maliwanagan. Let's try to answer letter D. Sa letter D, meron tayo ditong 44 minus negative 531. So, we have 44 minus negative 531. Same process, we have to change the sign of the subtrahend. So, this becomes positive 531 and proceed to addition. So, napakadali. Therefore, we have 575. At yung panghuli, negative 1,153 minus negative 1,043. Sasagutin natin sila ulit. Negative 1,153 minus negative 1,043. We have to change the sign of the subtrahend, so this becomes 1,043, and we proceed to addition process. So we have negative 1,153 plus 1,043. Now we have addition of unlike signs. What we're going to do is to subtract then 1,153 minus 1,043. So, we will have 110. And we copy the sign of the number with greater absolute value. So, therefore, this is negative 110. Now, let's answer this bonus question. The difference of two integers is negative 89. If the minuend is 36, find the subtrahend. Kanina, napag-usapan natin na ang minuend ay yung binabawasan na number. At yung subtrahend, yun yung ibinabawas dun sa minuend. At yung difference, yun yung sagot sa subtraction process. So dito, given yung minuend. So ang minuend natin ay 36. Pero hinahanap natin ay yung subtrahend. Kaya naman, we may let A be the subtrahend. So dahil given yung ating minuend at yung ating difference, so pwede na tayong gumawa ng number sentence. So we have 36 minus A is equal to negative 89. Pwede natin ngayong i-isolate yung A. Para ma-isolate natin yung A, magdadagdag tayo ng positive A sa magkabilang side ng equation. So we have 36 minus A plus A equals negative 89 plus A. Ngayon, makakancel na natin tong A at ang matitira na lang ay 36 equals negative 89 plus A. Sabi, kailangan nating ma-isolate si A. So, meron tayong negative 89. Kailangan mapapunta natin siya sa kabila. Paano yon? We have to add positive 89 to both sides. So, we have 89. Dahil nagdagdag tayo ng 89, mawawala na yung negative 89 and 89. So, now, ang titira na sa atin ay 89 plus 36 is equal to A. At meron tayong 89 plus 36, that gives us 125. And this is now the value of the subtrahend. Pwede nating i-check. Sabi natin sa original, we have 36 minus 125 is equal to negative 89. Change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition process, plus negative 125, negative 89. Therefore, this is negative 89 is equal to negative 89. And our answer is correct. I hope makatulong sa inyo yung ating video. Kung may request kayo ng iba pang mga video, just type your requested video on the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Muli, ako si Kuya Doc Ads. Maraming salamat!